My husband is out snow blowing the neighbor's driveway, and they have really worked together as a wonderful team this winter. And last winter, now that the neighbor has one of those front thingies on his truck, he can go and do the road, and my husband goes around and does the snow blowing in areas to help out too. So he's starting here with the neighbors, and then he works his way on up the road, because there's some elderly people that need help with the snow blowing. So he said there was about 7 inches or 7.5 inches so far, and I forget how long he said that it was supposed to continue snowing. So I'll get another vantage point here. Okay, the shrubs are all packed with snow again. We have really had a snowy winter. So anyhow, my husband is doing his thing with the snowblower. He is doing the road, and then he works his way on up to the neighbors, and he has already done one neighbor's driveway. There's a lot of families that have health issues that's really not able to do, and of course they don't have the snow blowers necessarily either, so he's working his way up the road. So not sure how far up the road he goes with the snow blower, but there's a good many families that I know appreciates his work that he does. So my husband's got the neighbor's driveway done, and the neighbor, he had to go to work, and he was not able to do the road. He has a plow, and he's been doing the road. So my husband and the neighbor guy has been working together on trying to keep this road open, since it's not a main road, and we've got so much snow. My husband said it's about 7.5 inches, I believe he said, 7.5 inches, and it's supposed to keep us snowing for a good while. So he is doing the road. There's families that have to get out on this road, and there's not much of a way that they're going to be able to get out, I don't believe, the way this is right now. So he's trying to get her done. Well, my husband's a little dot up there. He's made it all the way up that far with the snow blower. So he's barely visible in this camera. And I've got it as close as I can. So he gets up this road pretty far, and tries to see that the people can get out of their driveways.